Hello and welcome back to our channel MahaUma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video.
Today, my mom is going to make this yummy and delicious cake. Do you want to know how to make this cake? Let's go!
Hello, today I am going to make red velvet cake. The ingredients we need: 2 cup all-purpose flour. You can use wheat flour as well. Half cup melted butter, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 cup sugar, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoon vinegar. You can use lemon juice as well, food color and vanilla essence. I am using red food color for the red velvet cake. These are the ingredients we need. First thing, we are going to make our dry ingredients ready. Take a mixing bowl and place a sieve. Add 2 cups of flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. Just sieve all together. Now our dry ingredients are ready. Meanwhile, preheat the oven in 350 Fahrenheit. Now take another bowl. We are going to make our wet ingredients ready. First, butter, along with we are going to add 1 cup sugar. Whisk well. I am using electric beater. You can use whisk as well. Just blend until it becomes creamy. Now the butter and sugar mixed well together. You can see at this stage I am going to add 1 cup buttermilk and start beating. Now the wet ingredients are ready. I am going to add the dry ingredients little by little and fold. Now the batter is almost ready. At the end we are going to add the 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 teaspoon food color, red food color, 2 tablespoon vinegar. Mix well. Don't over mix. Now the batter is ready. I am going to transfer to cake mold. I am using round tray. Spread it well. Now it's ready to bake. Before that, I'm just topping some nuts. It's optional. If you like, you can add it. Now the cake is ready to go inside the oven. We are going to bake around 25 to 30 minutes, or we will insert the toothpick and check. If it is no sticky, then the cake is ready. I already preheated in 350 Fahrenheit. I kept the cake inside the oven. We will see after 30 minutes. Now our red velvet cake is ready. Let's wait until it's cooled down.
Now our delicious eggless red velvet cake is ready. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Now you can see how soft and how squishy it is. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, make sure you smash that like button and share it with your friends so they can enjoy this red velvet cake as well. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we make a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!